President Prabowo attended the plenary session of the 48th ASEAN Summit held in MACTAN EXPO City in Cebu Province of the Philippines. President Prabowo called for ASEAN member states to remain the anchor of stability in the region amid geopolitical escalation.
President Prabowo made the call as he attended the plenary session of the 48th ASEAN Summit held in MACTAN EXPO City in Cebu Province in the Philippines. President Prabowo said ASEAN should set good example, be committed to remain solid, keep peace and stability, and respect dialogue and collaboration. President Prabowo said geopolitical conflicts and rivalry will only yield in bad results for the people and society and disrupt the regional development. President Prabowo has called for the ASEAN to uphold dialogue and cooperation as key foundation of relationship among ASEAN member states. President Prabowo also called for the ASEAN to maintain independence and not affected by geopolitical conflicts and rivalry that may lead to a regional divide. President Prabowo has called all ASEAN member states to strengthen peace and work culture and cooperation at regional level amid geopolitical challenges. ASEAN should be able to set good example as a stable and harmonious region and uphold world peace.
Thank you to our choral